Alright, here is our camper. It is a Conquest by Gulfstream, 29-foot travel trailer, and we've had it about a year. Here is the door. There's the steps. So let's go in so I can show you the inside. To the left you have a little kitchen area. How cute is that? Lots of windows in this camper. I love that. There is the upper cabinets, microwave, skylight, vent. That's a huge refrigerator right there. And let's continue to go in. My new Keurig coffee maker. Then you've got a nice closet right there. But what I'm going to do is push this magic button and get the slide out to go out. So show you, it's a huge difference when you have a slide out, even just one. We never had one before in our other campers, so this is new, but I love it. Alright, so that's going out, which is just with the push of a button. Okay, so there is our little couch, which is also a bed, a huge closet, upper cabinets, and then great floor. Here is our little dinette, which is great. This is where I've been doing some of my blogging, writing some posts right there. Up above, more cabinets, place for a TV set. A lot of mirrors in here. Another mirror. You go down this way and you go back to the bedroom. We have a great shower. It's a full-size shower right here. Oh, it's really hard to see, but it's a full-size shower outside the bedroom. And here is bathroom sink. Here is the bedroom. Over here is the door to the bathroom. And there's our bedroom. It has a closet on each side. It has another great window. It has also a little place for a TV and a second doorway. And here is, looking this way, it's just really the perfect size for us. It's just the two of us with our dog, and it works great. So there you go. I'll be doing some camping blogs, so stay tuned. Thanks.